race number 2, Santa Ana Fortnite, Cavite. And the race is on final countdown. Fast to begin. Brushing up from the outside is Freedom Charger. Freedom Charger. Final countdown. Livingstone, Domec, Vermont alongside Prying Eyes. Down on the inside, Double O, Dr. Choice, Arsenal, and 2A River Bell. While in excess is the early trailer, Freedom Charger, Domec, Vermont, Final Countdown, Livingstone. Then here comes Dr. Choice together with 9A Prying Eyes. That's 450, Freedom Charger by 3/4 of a length, Domec. And on the outside, Vermont, Dr. Choice. On the further outside, Final Countdown, Livingstone. And hitting the last 250, Dr. Choice. Now the leader. Running down on the inside is Vermont. On the outside is Prying Eyes. Dr. Choice, Prying Eyes. Vermont is running in third, Freedom Charger. And finally, 9A. Prying Eyes, second 9, Dr. Choice, Vermont, Freedom Charger, close, Double O, Domec, Final Countdown, Arsenal, 2A River Bell, In Excess, and Livingstone.